unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
To fix audio mixing, start with adjusting levels to ensure no sound overpowers another, keeping dialogue clear. Use EQ, equalization, to balance frequencies, making sure to cut rather than boost when possible for a clearer mix. Compression can be applied sparingly to even out dynamic ranges. Additionally, incorporating panning can create a more immersive experience by distributing sound across the stereo field. Listening on various devices helps ensure your mix translates well across different playback systems. Remember, practice and experimenting are key to mastering audio mixing.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.